The top 5 superfoods for your diet. Eating a healthy diet is essential for maintaining optimal health and preventing chronic diseases. While there are many foods that can benefit your health, some are considered superfoods due to their high nutrient density and powerful health benefits. In this video, we will discuss the top 5 superfoods that you should include in your diet. Number 5. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are small but mighty, packed with omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. They can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or used to make chia seed pudding. They also make a great egg substitute in baking recipes. Number 4. Quinoa. Quinoa is a whole grain that is high in protein and fiber, and is also a good source of vitamins and minerals. It is also gluten-free, making it a great option for those with celiac disease or gluten sensitivities. Quinoa can be used as a substitute for rice or pasta in a variety of dishes, or as a base for salads or bowls. Number 3. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green that is high in vitamins A, K, and C, as well as iron and folate. It is also a good source of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds. Spinach can be eaten raw in salads, sautéed as a side dish, or added to soups and smoothies. Number 2. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain and heart health. It is also a good source of protein and vitamin D, which can help improve bone health and reduce the risk of osteoporosis. Salmon is best eaten grilled or baked, and can be paired with a variety of vegetables and grains. Number 1. Blueberries. Blueberries are packed with antioxidants and vitamin C, which can help protect your cells from damage and boost your immune system. They also contain anthocyanins, which have been shown to reduce inflammation and improve heart health. Blueberries are versatile and can be eaten on their own, added to smoothies, or used as a topping for oatmeal or yogurt. Including these superfoods in your diet can help improve your overall health and wellness. Remember to also eat a variety of other nutrient-dense fruits, vegetables, and whole grains to ensure you are getting a wide range of nutrients. Consult with a dietitian or nutritionist if you have any health concerns before making any drastic changes to your diet. Thanks for watching. Please visit the link in this video description section for more information on superfoods, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative content.